Hi Mark, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you that the machine is working now. So, yeah, as you can see the machine, it's heated up completely, the pump works, got our steam, and before, when I pressed the brew button, I would see the 3 lights flashing, so you can see that doesn't happen anymore. Then I'll just brew a shot just to show you that the machine is working fully. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.